Get ready. Start. This assembly decided last year almost unanimously, I think, in favor of general widespread disarmament. The great nations of the world have committed themselves to it. The United States, through its president, recently put forward proposals which are in line with what this assembly has decided. The Soviet Russia has put forward proposals to the same effect, varying them slightly but essentially aiming at the same thing. There is a good deal of commonness about them in broad outline. If that is so, why should we not grasp this opportunity and remove the fear and terror from people's minds and devote our energies and resources to the advancement of the world? This major and outstanding question must be dealt with speedily, and the great countries, especially those which have the greatest responsibility, should address themselves again and again to the consideration of this problem together through negotiations to reach agreements. Such agreements cannot be merely agreements between some countries, however great. These must represent all the members of the United Nations, but I do think that it is better for a few countries to deal with this problem to begin with. I feel rather strongly on this question, although we in India are probably not situated in the major theatres of a possible war. Everything that man has striven for in the past thousands of years is at stake today. While I feel as strongly as possible about the freedom of the colonial